Hello guys, as you may have never failed me back in March, we actually got this Honda generator. It's called the Honda EU3000 IS, and we like the power hunters, but I heard it's a good idea, but it's always a good idea to start this doing, I think, every 2 months. So we're going to see if it will start. Let's check the gas very quick. It's got a gas case. Come on. Coffee. Oh, it's got a nice filter. Yeah, looks like, yeah, we got plenty of gas. So hopefully the gas is still good. Definitely the future. Definitely want to get a ethanol free filter in the future. So what is when we put the camera down, so I can start it, because it may take a while. My car to do what, so put a camera. Oh, I got the choke. Okay, let's see if this does stuff now. No. I cannot believe it. Started right out the first hole. That's the hardest thing. Wow. Oh, good. I wasn't expecting something easy. Okay, so I go with this one for 15-20 minutes now. It's a good idea you should start, if you have this generator or any type of generator, it's a good idea you should probably start it like every 2 months, maybe once a month, just to be safe. Everything. That's it for now.